Good morning, good morning.
Good morning.
Say happy.
Good morning, guys.
Ano ba ngayon? Happy Tuesday, guys.
Happy Tuesday, guys.
And
Happy Tuesday, guys.
okay. It is
PTO fun
first
day.
vlog ng June, guys. This is
PTO fun day. Mama's house.
yes, it is. So this is the first vlog in June. So yes, we're gonna go in just a second, okay? So meron silang ngayong PTO fun day sa school. And ihahatid natin sila dahil nag-volunteer tayo today na tumulong sa kanilang party today dahil 3 days na lang or 2 days na lang wala na silang school. So yeah, so pakita ko sa inyo yung mga dala nila. So ito yung bag ni Caleb. So meron siyang towel, yung kanyang slippers dahil magsi-slippers na lang siya pag-uwi mamaya, and then yung extra clothes nila. Same thing din si Kuya Chad. Ayan. Hey, why don't you guys zipper this up? Come on. Dahil hindi tayo pwede malate. Ayan. Oh, you two, where's your backpack so you guys can put your iPad and go to Mama's?
Awesome.
So, ayan guys, papunta na tayo sa school. Tin-wrap up na natin si Troy and Natalia sa lola nila. Actually, we were rushing dahil 7:02 na. So, they need to be at school before 7:30 dahil malilate na sila ng time.
7:30?
Yeah, you guys are gonna be late if
I wish we could slow down time.
well, I tried my best to be in a hurry, but didn't work. Didn't work. So today is PTO fun day, and then tomorrow is PE field day.
Yeah, I forgot why.
So
I forgot why. Do we? I don't know what.
and then on Thursday is awards day, and that's the last day of school.
Yeah,
So-
no more school, but a lot of vlogs from Mom.
Yeah, no more school, but a lot of fun.
Yeah.
And then and then summer begin.
Yeah.
But I still have to wake up early dahil my husband go to work. My butt is warm now, Chad. Is your butt warm now?
Oh, I forgot to turn on mine.
Oh, I didn't turn yours on.
No wonder my butt isn't warm.
You're fine. So
I
yeah,
know where we could go for vacation.
where
Florida.
we might not go to Florida because of Troy's arm.
Yeah. When does Troy have to take it off his
I think I know who that is.
When is Troy gonna have to
June 20th. June 20 is they're gonna take his cast off.
That's 5. That is like 5
And
days
then
till
5
my
days is Caleb's birthday. It's Caleb's birthday month.
And it's also Bryce's.
So, oh yeah, I forgot I was gonna ask if you can bring some cupcake, huh?
Yeah.
I forgot about
We
the
could
cupcake.
do it on PT field day.
Let's go to school, guys.
See you when we get there.
So guys, na-drop off ko na si Chad at Caleb. And alam nyo ba kung ano nakalimutan ko? Kalimutan ko yung drinks na dapat na dadalahin. O diba? So hindi na ako babalik sa bahay dahil hindi naman no sense na babalik pa ako sa bahay, diba? Dahil lang naiwanan ko yung drinks. But andi dito na yung mga meron sila kasing nag-rent sila dito ng bouncy house na 6 ata yung inirent nila na bouncy house. So hindi ko alam kung ano pa yung meron dito na gagawin Kasi sabi nila, mababasa daw yung mga bata. So, hindi ko alam kung anong klaseng mababasa sila. So, I don't know kung anong maglagay tayo ng something dahil sobrang dry na ating lips. And then, dito na rin tayo magla-lunch. So, it's $3.75 ata yung lunch. So, magdalan lang ako ng $5. So, pakita ko sa inyo yung mga bouncy house. Ano doon eh, meron doon, tapos meron dito, 2. 6 yung kinuha nilang bouncy house. So, nakakaloka. 6. Yung mga friend ko, ayan, hindi na naman sila nag-show up. But, understandable naman kasi yung isa may masama na yung pakiramdam, yung isa naman may work. Kaya, hindi ko alam kung we're supposed to be here by 7:30 or 8 o'clock. Hindi ako sigurado. Day off ni Daddy. So, makakasama siya sa fun day tomorrow. So, ayun guys, yung 2 bouncy na nirentahan nila. Spider-Man at saka, ewan ko kung ano yan. Running Man ba yan? Basta. So, ayun guys, yung ibang, bouncy house na nakalagay doon. Ang cute. Ang dami nila. Ayan, so punta na tayo para makatulong tayo. So, let's go!
I pull into your driveway, it's a Saturday night. You look like $1,000,000 wearing that dress I like. You're smiling, but there's something missing in your eyes. Girl, I can tell that you have something on your mind. But I will make you forget all your sorrows. Let go like there's no tomorrow.
Guys, lunchtime na and hindi ako masyado nakapag-vlog dahil na busy ako sa ginagawa ko. So, yeah, I'm tired. So, let's go for lunch. Lunch! Chad! Chad! Lunch time! Where's baby?
Just relax, all your problems will fade. If you're ready for a good time, count on me. There's a party in the backyard, dance your problems away. I'm all about the good vibes, I know you're all about the good vibes. Do you know how much I love you, wanna see you smile? Where's the happy girl that I know with her heart on fire? I'll do anything to make it.
Ayan guys, tapos na tayo. Tayo uuwi na. So, sinundo natin yung 2. Kasi since nandito na rin naman tayo. So, let's go. So guys, bahay na kami. And, ewan ko kung nakita nyo na sunburnt ako. Na sunburn ba ako? Pero I feel like na sunburn ako. So anyways, kukunin na namin si Troy at si Natalia. I'm so tired. Tapos meron pa tayo bukas na PE fun day. So, maaga na naman tayong pupunta sa school para tumulong mag set up ng tent. So, day off ni Daddy tomorrow and sasama natin siya para ma-enjoy na naman yung field day ng mga bata. So yeah, let's go. Ay, pakita ko sa inyo yung mga tanim ng aking mother-in-law. So, ito guys is, ano daw to? Ano ba to? Corn. I think that's a corn. Yeah, ito yan. Corn. Tapos, ito, as you can see, tomato. And then, cabbage. Then, another tomato. And then ito, I think this is onion ata to eh. Yeah, that's onion. And this one, hindi ko alam kung ano to. Hindi ko rin alam kung ano to. Yan. Basta, marami siyang tanim. So, yan. Corn din yan. Tapos, meron pang tanim doon. Yan. Kita nyo. Yan. Yan. So, yan. Let's go! Hi! How are you, buddy? Oh. Hello guys, good morning. Happy Thursday. Hey, turn up the light in there, please. Happy Wednesday. So today is their field day. And kasama natin si Daddy. So na-drop off ko na si Troy and Natalia sa bahay ng kanilang lola. So we have to go kasi it's 7:02 na, and like yesterday, late na naman tayo lumayas. Kaya ayan, we had to go. So let's go. Ayun si Daddy. Let's go. Ayan na guys, si Caleb. Start na sila ng kanilang field day.
Ready, set, go!
So guys, tapos na yung event. Aray ko, buti na lang natapos yung event bago pa umulan. So, eto, tapos na yung event. Tapos na rin ang lunch. So, pipick upin ko na yung dalawa. Kasi gusto na daw nila umuwi. So, yeah. So, let's go. Ayun na sila.
Hi.
In the rain.
And my legs are getting very cold. Am I actually getting this
In the rain.
dying?
Oh my God.
Is it not raining over there?
It is raining. God, where are you going?
Is it raining at the house? Is it raining at the house?
No.
Oh, there's holes in there.
Why are you walking so slow?
I'm sorry.
Still rain.
Guys, look at that. Oh my gosh. It's raining, man.
It's raining tacos.
Oh, it's raining taco.
And I want to have a look.
Look. Look at the rain.
What the? And the blue. What is going blue?
Ah. Oh, look at that, guys. Oh my God. Ah, the wind. It's already wet anyways. Yung shoes ni Caleb. Oh my God.